Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're here at Aldi. I hope all is well with everybody, so go ahead, get cozy and comfortable, grab your notebook and pen, your drinks and snacks. We are shopping at Aldi today, and today's date is August 9th of 2026. All right, I hope you're ready to find some awesome deals that they have here at Aldi. You're seeing some of this week's featured food finds that they have for affordable prices. When it comes to this week's ad, we are looking at a lot of the products that they have for their back to school products. This is like college dorm type of decorations. So it is campus for the brand for Aldi. And let me start you guys off with their sheet sets. These are for $7.99. They are running in twin extra long or full size. So here are the color options. They are coming in of lilac, pink, and also in the color of white. The twin extra large is a 3-piece set, while the full is a 4-piece set because you are getting an extra pillowcase for $7.99. And these are well made. And again, this is the campus collection. In case you need to see the care instructions. And again, these are for $7.99. For $19.99, you have the Ultra Cozy Knit Throw for $19.99. And they are coming in 4 different styles. So you have the checker pink and cream color, blue checker, also gray, and then they have a lilac color. Then these are measuring out 50 by 70 inches, and it is a cloud soft fill. So nice filling for only $19.99. And then right here you have for $4.99, here are the LED curtain lights. This is what it looks like, nice and bright. And the measurement on these is you are getting 96 LED lights. They do require 3 of the AA batteries. And the total length is 3.5 feet wide by 5 feet tall for $4.99. Here you have some beautiful candles. These are the ombre beaded candles for $7.99. You also have this one with the butterflies on it. These are so pretty. And they smell really good too. And you are getting 1 single wick candle, 9.4 ounces for $7.99. And then you also have the sculpted glass candles for $7.99. These are pretty cool, definitely different. And this one is a 10.5 ounce. It's got a nice weight to that. And then you have them in a couple different scents. And this is a single wick candle for $7.99. For $19.99, Campus Collection by Curtain House has the microfiber comforters. Now these are really nice for $19.99. I will tell you, this print that they brought out this year is selling pretty fast. It is gorgeous, nice and pretty with all those beautiful flowers. And again, these are for $19.99. They are in the twin extra long size along with the full size, and they are reversible for $19.99. Could also match your bedding with the 2-pack of the sateen pillowcase and eye mask set. They are going for $6.99. The pillowcases measure out 20 inches by 28 inches. The eye mask measures out 8 inches by 4 inches. These are always nice sets to pick up for gifts too. And they come in 6 different colors. So you have all black, you have a nice mint color, a striped blue and white color, also all gray. Then you have the purple, pretty purple and white color, and then all pink for $6.99. Here is the fast charging power bank for $14.99. Also have a 2-pack. That's a score. And it does come with a 1-year warranty, which is nice. Over here you have the 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger for $14.99. $14.99. Here are the wireless Bluetooth headphones. They are coming in a couple different colors. So you have this nice purple color. You also have a violet color, black, and stone, and also white. These do include a 1-year warranty for $14.99, and you are getting 30 hours of playtime. Again, for $14.99. $4.99, you have the fashion accessories for your phone, and they have some good products. So you got the suction mounting cup, also the magnetic soft loop grip, and then you also have right here, this one is the beaded wristlet, and these are for $4.99. They also got in for $24.99 Abbiano brand. This is the rechargeable sonic toothbrush. It includes 4 extra heads. And we are getting a 2-year warranty with this, so that's nice. And it's compared to the Philips Sonicare brush heads, again for $24.99. And they are coming in 4 colors of pink. You have teal, purple, and black. Here is the Bonnie shampoo and conditioner by Lacora. We are getting an 8.5 ounce, and this is Bond Repair. And these are for $4.99. Here is the Lacora Peptide Lip Treatments in assorted colors. Look at all those beautiful colors. Vanilla unscented. You have salted caramel, rose, chestnut, and sangria. Here for $4.99, these are the 7-piece makeup removing cloth sets. You got 4 different styles. So one includes cherries, one includes checkered, stripe, and then solid navy blue. For $4.99, you got the design cosmetic storages, and these are $4.99. Here's what they look like. It's all fabric. And again, this is the design cosmetic storage. For $9.99, you're getting 20 bags of the extra heavy duty construction full 4-fold bags. This is the 42 gallons for $9.99. Here, this is pretty cool. The Abbiano brand is giving us not only this tornado cleaning brush, but you are getting a 3-year warranty on it. And it also includes replaceable heads for this. And this is for $19.99. Here is Scrunchy brand. You are getting hair accessories for $2.99. And for $5.99, you have different hair brushes. And then for $7.99, they got the 2-pack of the character boxer shorts and the characters of the original Squashmallows, Hello Kitty, Stitch, and Strawberry Shortcake. Easy Home got the squatty stool. This one is for $9.99. Here you got the shower curtains for $6.99. They are the Piva shower curtain liners. They are coming in clear, frosted, and white. He also has a really good selection of the 16-inch backpacks. There is 5 different options for $19.99. Here's a couple of their different styles. Well made too, even the straps on the back. Here's the one that matches the bedding and a couple of the accessories I've been showing you guys. It's such a pretty backpack. They also got in the matching insulated lunch bags with the cold packs. So you got the matching ones. Oh, these are nicely made too, y'all. Here goes that purple floral one. And they all match the backpacks I just showed you guys. Even this pink one is really pretty too. And then this yellow one is nice and fun too. And again, these are for $8.99. Here is some nice step-on trash cans. These are bathroom trash cans, 5 liters for $9.99. And I see they also have it in the color of white. $14.99, you are getting a 2-piece of the memory foam bathroom sets. The first one measures out 20 inches by 30 inches. The second one is 17 inches by 24 inches for $14.99. And then you have for $7.99, here is the pet mats. Here are the options I'm seeing for $7.99. And these measure out 18 inches by 30 inches for $7.99. $3.99, you have these adorable pet hats. Up here for 99 cents, here is all occasion cards. Right next to it, you have the curtain house. These are the 3-wick candles. They have 4 different scents for $4.99. Here are the 4 options, and they are for $4.99, and they are the 3-wick candles, 14 ounces each. Laundry products that they added for this week. So you have Arm & Hammer 5-in-1 for $8.95. You are getting 1.85 pounds, and that includes 42 packs for $8.95. Here is the extra brand. You are getting about 88 loads for $6.68. And this is 136.4 fluid ounces of fresh scent. Up here, this is OxyClean. This one is for $10.98. And we are getting a 3-pound tub for $10.98. Here's the under the sink organizer for $9.99. You could also use it for next to your coffee machine. I mean, just different ideas that you guys could use for this product, because it's actually a really cool product. Could even use it for your makeup. It does also include 4 extra hooks, 1 hanging cup included, and this does measure out 15.75 inches in length by 8.66 inches in width by 13.77 inches in height for $9.99, and they are only coming in black. They got the Cloud Stride pants for $12.99. They are coming in brown, blue, and also the color black. Oh, these are nice and soft. And these are for $12.99. Now, right next to it for $7.99, these are the Cooling Slip Shorts. They are coming in 3 different color options of black, brown, and also nude. And here's the size guide. These again are for $7.99. For $14.99, this is a denim dress. They're fitting lady size small to extra large for $14.99. So you got it in the denim color. It looks like it goes right above the knee. Here is the size. And then you also have it in the color black. Again, these are for $14.99. For $16.99, here is the laundry storage system, and it also includes a 5-pack plus 8 of the labels for only $16.99. Here is the Easy Home laundry accessories. So it includes the portable drying rack, also laundry basket deodorizers, and you are getting a 4-pack of the cedar sashes. And these are for $3.99. For $6.99, they have some ladies jelly sandals. They are coming in the color of black. You got 2 different type of black pairs. So you have these kind, also these, and then the clear jellies. Y'all remember the jellies growing up? They're only $6.99 here. Now, before we check out some of their food finds, here is a lot of their clearance products. You see all the red tags. So they marked down quite a few products from past Shop With Me. So if you are new, welcome. If you're returning back, welcome back. I love having you guys come shopping with me. They have on Mondays where they come over in this section and even in a lot of their food aisles and start marking stuff down. So they got a lot of products still left. I hope this encourages you guys to check out the playlist of the past Shop With Me videos at Aldi. So you can see some of these products a little bit closer and a little bit better. They still have a lot of items from the past Shop With Me's. Okay, so it looks like they got more of the comforter sets over here. You have the body pillows for $12.99. So it's all matching what I showed you guys in the other aisle. They got some more of the trash cans. And then here is the headboard bed rest. These are for $18.99. Right, avocados on a price break for only 39 cents. That's super cheap. Here is the rest of the produce that they have. It's fresh, always affordable here. And go ahead and pick up my avocado. Looks like it still needs a little bit of time. I could probably open this in like 1 to 2 days. Here is some of their name brand cereals that they have for $3.68. You have cinnamon graham cracker toast crunch and also Lucky Charms with cotton candy flavor. They are with 3 new unicorn shapes. And then you have Pop-Tarts for $3.89 for a 12 count. They have down here the icy slushies for 79 cents. So now we're in the freezer section. You have these pizzas. This is roasted vegetable thick crust pizza, and we are getting this for $5.99. They also have the buffalo cauliflower pizza for $5.99. Well, they made every parent's nightmare come true. They got the 6-7 chicken nuggets in. You are getting 11 grams of protein, and they're costing us $6.70. And then here they still have their party packs for $15.99. You are getting the party pack seasoned beef patties. They got in mini meatballs for $4.99. Here is some spicy chicken patties. These are for $5.99. They got in the chicken dumplings, and it looks like you also got beef dumplings. We're getting a 20 ounce for the beef and a 24 ounce for the chicken flavor for $6.79. So as we're approaching the end of this aisle, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope this helped you out with your shopping trip to Aldi. They have some amazing and affordable products they have affordable and amazing products daily. And if you enjoyed videos like this, please don't forget to hype or like for more. And I hope to see you in tomorrow's Shop With Me or the next Aldi Shop With Me. Be blessed, be safe, and see you all in the next video. Here's a shepherd's pie for only $7.29. And we are getting a 30 ounce. All right, see you guys next week. Do we got a fun ad? Looks like we do. See y'all. Yes, Halloween. See y'all next week.